IBM Design Challenge, using AI for sustainable solutions with the Open University. Every day, households throw away perfectly good food, not because it's unsafe, but because it's inconvenient. Our consumer loves to experiment and try new foods and recipes. They try to reduce their food waste as much as possible and feel guilty about throwing away unused food, especially when they cook a recipe that only requires a small quantity of new ingredients that they then have to throw out because they don't know how to use them before they run out of date. The challenge isn't motivation. Our user already cares, but making it easy to use or share ingredients before they go to waste. This is the problem we aim to solve, keeping the user at the center of every design decision. By utilizing AI, we can make this easier. Deep learning and computer vision identify and track ingredients and expiry dates. Natural language processing lets users interact conversationally. Machine learning predicts user needs, and generative AI suggests recipes to make the most of available ingredients. Together, this creates a solution that reduces waste, strengthens community ties, and encourages responsible consumption, fully aligned with SDG 12. We use design thinking to guide our process. First, we created an empathy map to understand what users think, feel, and struggle with, which made clear that when they were trying new recipes, they were ending up confused about how to use up specific ingredients, stressed by the time crunch of use by dates, and ultimately guilty with having to throw food away. This helped us build a clear as-is problem statement and begin brainstorming solutions. We chose to map these solutions out on a chart of shame, considering expense and complexity, which helped us land on the idea of community fridge lockers called PantryPods, which stood out because they solved the problem at both individual and community level, making them scalable and meaningful. Introducing PantryPod, a solar-powered community fridge station designed like a parcel locker. Local residents and businesses can place surplus jars or bottles of ingredients into individual refrigerated lockers. Other members of the community can scan the unit, use the built-in touchscreen, speak directly to the unit, or view the app at home to see what's available, and even receive recipe suggestions based on current ingredients. When they select what they need, the corresponding lockers unlock automatically. Pantry pods use computer vision and deep learning to detect and identify items and keep track of stock and estimate use-by dates, along with utilizing user input to refine its database of recipes and recommendations so it's always learning. It's secure, solar-powered, modular, and keeps good food in circulation instead of in landfill. In return, the app is able to inform users of how much food has been saved from going to waste, how much money they've saved by using donated ingredients, and how many people they've helped with their own donations. PantryPod turns surplus into shared value, strengthening communities, reducing waste, and making sustainability visible in local communities.